In this video, I'm going to teach you how to repair your car in Big Ambitions. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to repair your car in Big Ambitions and what to do if your car ever reaches 0% as you can see on screen. Repairing your car is extremely simple. If you are still able to drive around, then you will be able to go to a specific location where you can get your car repaired. The price is going to vary depending on the car that you have purchased. More expensive vehicles will cost more for the repairs, and likewise, cheaper vehicles will have cheaper repair costs. So what you have to do is find any gas station and go into the garage as I've highlighted here. Immediately upon driving into this garage, the price is going to be displayed at the top and you can accept it to have your car repaired. As soon as it is repaired, the maintenance is going to go over to 100% and you are ready to drive again. So avoid crashing, avoid any accidents, and you should be able to maintain this car for long. Now, alternatively, if you are in a position where you reached 0% on your car's maintenance and you cannot drive around to go to one of these garages available in the gas stations, then what you have to do is call the tow service in your contacts. It will cost you $500 to be taken to the repair shop or gas station. I recommend that you go over to the second option instead. So instead of choosing to go to the nearest gas station, choose to go to the nearest auto repair shop, where you will find the option to have your car repaired, like I just mentioned, in the garage. Make sure that you check the price accordingly, and remember that more expensive vehicles will have way more expensive repair costs, so always try your best not to have it repaired every single time. I hope I was able to help you on how to repair your car in Big Ambitions. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.